Welcome everyone! In this video, we'll be showcasing our exciting project, the BookScrabble game. We'll take you through the gameplay, highlight key features, and demonstrate how our application brings the classic word game to life. But first, let's talk a bit about the project itself. Our BookScrabble game was developed as part of our advanced software development course. We utilized Java and JavaFX to build the application, implementing various algorithms such as cache management, such as LRU and LFU, and data structures. The project follows a multi-threaded approach, allowing up to 4 players to compete simultaneously. Throughout the development process, we adopted the Scrum framework, utilizing tools like Jira for project management. Our GitHub repository showcases our commits, demonstrating our progress and collaboration. We also conducted extensive testing to ensure the reliability and functionality of our code. Now, let's dive into the gameplay. We'll guide you through the flow of the game and highlight its key features. We begin by opening the application on the host computer and creating a lobby. We invite 4 different players to join, and the first 3 successfully connect. However, the 4th player receives a message indicating that the server is already full. Once the lobby is set, we click on the Start the Game button, moving all players to the in-game window. Here, we can see the game board, the names and scores of other players, the number of tiles remaining in the bag, and buttons exclusive to the active player, marked in red, such as Finish the Turn, Undo, and Reset. Now, let's try placing words on the board. Initially, the host attempts to place an invalid word, resulting in a pop-up indicating the word's invalidity. The host then tries again, but this time the word is placed incorrectly, triggering another pop-up. Now we switch to the other players' screens. Each player has the option to either accept the word or challenge it. Let's see what happens next. When a player challenges a word, an intelligent algorithm searches for the word in dictionaries. If the word is found, the challenge fails, and the player who challenged loses points equal to the word's value. The word remains on the board. However, if the word is not found, it is removed from the board and returned to the player's hand. The turn then moves to the next player. Throughout the game, players can view updates on their scores, the current board state, the number of tiles remaining, and the active player. As the game progresses, one player eventually reaches a score of 35 points or more, triggering the game's end. All players receive a pop-up displaying the winner's name and score, with other players' scores listed in descending order. And that concludes our demonstration of the BookScrabble game. We hope you enjoyed watching and gained insight into our project's features and gameplay. Thank you for joining us on this journey.